it's Kelly. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I had a super relaxing day. Cleaned the bathroom yesterday and I'll get back to it tomorrow, but today I just had a bit of a self-care Saturday, so I've just taken some footage throughout the day of all the things I got up to. So it's a shorter video for today because there wasn't a lot to do, but I also did just pot around the house doing bits and pieces, and of course by the time I realized I wasn't filming, I'd already done the thing. So yeah, but we all need some time out every now and again, even though we're home. They're what things do. So I had to do a little bit of food shopping, did the filming of that, did a couple of little cleaning things here and there, did some baking, did a mask. So enjoy the footage. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe on this video. Let me know where you're watching from and how are you? Are you in a place where there's a lockdown? I'm thinking of all my friends in New South Wales and Victoria at the moment, and thank you for all the messages that you're sending me. We're fine, we love being at home, so we are enjoying the time out, and as you know, I'm cleaning a lot, so that's really great for me. Alright, enjoy this footage. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. It has been so cold and windy here in Adelaide today, so I just took some footage of the trees moving around. Thank goodness all of them are still where they should be. Then I decided to do some baking. I had this cookie dough that I got from NQR. It was $1, and even though it was gingerbread flavour, I figured for $1 it would be something quick and easy to make some cookies, and they baked so well and they disappeared just as fast, so clearly popular in the house. Next I made some brownies from, again, in the cupboard. I figured it was good to get rid of one thing in there and just have a little treat. It baked up really well. I baked it for half of the time that the packet said, so they're nice and moist. And then I gave it some icing from some icing that I had left over from a cake that I made previously. I washed my hair today because it's Saturday and I normally would have had Zumba and washed it, so I just washed it separately in the laundry sink. I washed it during the day so it's got time to dry. I cleaned one of my baking trays with washing liquid, bicarb soda and some white vinegar because I've got a video coming up with some of my cleaning hacks, and I'm really happy with how it turned out, so you'll have to watch for the video that's coming out soon. Even though the weather is absolutely terrible here in Adelaide, I decided that I would go and do a little bit of food shopping and also pick up Jeremy's click and collect order that I did for him from Liquorland, and I thought it would just be a good idea to duck out quickly. Yep, don't forget the bags. We are allowed to leave the house for food shopping, so I've got my mask, and also online ordering is backed up for 4 days, so it's easier to go in. Got home for a much deserved coffee and a little brownie treat for afternoon tea. Just filming the grocery haul that you guys will see on Monday and just talking through what's happening here, so look forward to that video coming up, and I go through all the things that we buy, and here's everything, and then here I go super fast putting it all away. To roast for dinner, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm finally getting to know how to use my oven. I decided today, being self-care Saturday, I would use this mask that I got from Big W, of course on clearance, and just to put some nutrients back into my skin. Because of all the mask wearing you do, it can be a little bit drying and damaging. So I'm just cleansing my face to start with, and then I put the mask on, and it says to wait for 15 minutes, but by the time I got back to the bathroom it was about half an hour later. But all good. It was a beautiful mask and I'm really happy with how soft my skin is. We have gorgeous gas heaters in our house, one in the lounge room and one in the office room, and I love how they warm up a room, so we turn them on and off throughout the day when we need them. It's movie time, watching one of my favorite actors, Denzel Washington, in The Hurricane. You should check it out. It's a great movie based on a true story. I'm off to bed now. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please like this video, comment below and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.